next stage of our power project was running the actual cable for our three-phase power 143 metres through some existing conduit down to our block. The cable we were using was 120mm squared aluminium cable, which was the size we needed to be able to carry the current. Quite big, quite heavy, and very hard to pull. We had to use a little mechanical advantage. We all breathed a sigh of relief when we saw the end of that cable come up through that conduit, that's for sure. Then it was time to set the pole. And do the terminations. With all that work done, a few weeks later we were able to concrete around our conduits and get ready for the installation of the meters. I'm pleased to say we've now got power, and it's great.